Hi, Josh Simonson here with MarineMax of Rogers. Want to walk you through a pre-owned pontoon that we just took in. This is a 2018 Sanpan. This is a 25-foot pontoon, tri-toon I should say. You can see it is on a trailer, and the trailer is included with this particular tri-toon. You can see the black has a nice silver accent on the side. We've got the bimini out. It is an electric bimini, so this is by the press of a button. And we'll come to the back here. Got a very nice deep step ladder here, 4 different steps, so it's in the water, easy in, easy out. There's actually a ladder on the other side as well. And then as you can see, this is a Yamaha. This is the 300 horse 4-stroke Yamaha. Underwater lights. This boat is loaded. Let's go to the interior and take a look and see all the rest. All right, welcome to the interior. We do have a nice ski tow bar back here. Really good extended swim platform. We've got some doors right here that can be opened and shut, so you can actually sit back here while the pontoon is in motion. You see you've got a nice couch-like area in the back. By the push of a button right here, this whole couch will actually fold all the way down, so it could be a big sun pad as well. So as we walk in, there's a nice large walkway to get into the pontoon. Another nice, I would say it looks like a comfortable couch. Seating right there. The lights are on. The stereo system's really nice in here. We get 2 big captain's chairs with raised helms underneath them. Right here you've got some cup holders, you've got some extra storage, and then this is the dual windshield version. Up at the helm, we've got dual touch screens with some redundant controls right here as well. We got the Polk audio. This one does have 165 hours on it. And then we come to the front here, being that this is 25 feet, there's plenty of space all the way up to the bow. Very plush all the way around. We've got a nice table right here to hang out. Like I said, this is a 25-foot pontoon, or tri-toon, and it's here. This is a 2018. It is available currently at a Rogers location. So if you want to come take a look at it, give us a call, set up an appointment. We'd love to see you down here. Thanks a lot.